Happy birthday, dear Ricky. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you eight? Are you seven? Are you not six? Yes!
All right. Make a wish. Say a prayer, I should say. Come on, you better get those candles out. I'm so glad we're past the stage where they cry if they can't blow out the candles, even if it's not their birthday. You guys have that? Yay!
Okay, good. And before we eat, we want to say a prayer. We want to thank Jesus for all of our